Hello students, we already discussed optical activity, that is what is optical activity, then what is asymmetric carbon atoms, and we also discuss stereochemistry of carbon compounds containing one asymmetric carbon atom. During that we discussed what is enantiomers also, and that is enantiomers are stereoisomers which are non-superimposable mirror image of each other. Non-superimposable mirror images of each other, that are known as enantiomers. Enantiomers are optical isomers. Optical isomers which are non-superimposable on each other. For example, 2-chlorobutane. This compound contain one asymmetric carbon atom. Its mirror image that is one form is D form and another is L form. These two are non-superimposable. Why non-superimposable? Because if we lift one form, one structure, and if we keep that on another structure, then that one is not perfectly matches. That is, on one structure Cl is there, and on Cl another structure H will be there. This one is therefore not matches and therefore non superimposable. This one is similar to our hands. If we lift one hand and keep on another, then that do not matches on each other exactly. That is nothing but non superimposable, and that is nothing but enantiomers known as optical isomers, known as enantiomers. Characteristics of enantiomers that are optical isomers and rotate plane polarized light, plane polarized light to the same extent but opposite direction. Same extent but opposite direction. Therefore, one form is D form, another is L form. D form rotate towards right, L form rotate towards left. Therefore, same extent but opposite direction. Out of pair of enantiomers, one is dextrorotatory, which is designated as a D or positive, and other is levorotatory, which is designated as L or negative. They have identical physical properties like MP, BP, density, etc. They have similar properties towards chemical reagents, similar reactivity towards chemical reagents. However, if chemical reagent is asymmetric, then they may have different rate of reactions, and some of the enantiomers have different physiological activities. Then what is racemic mixture? If we consider exactly 50% mixture of compound containing exactly 50% D form and exactly 50% L form of any of enantiomers, then that resultant mixture do not rotate plane polarized light towards right or left, because there is compensation. 50% rotation towards right is compensated by 50% rotation towards left, and therefore resultant that plane polarized light do not rotate towards right or left, and therefore that mixture is optically inactive. Racemic mixture is, remember, optically inactive. Then why that one is optically inactive? because optical rotation of 50% molecules, say dextro towards right rotation, that one is compensated by, cancelled by optical rotation of plane polarized light towards left, that is 50%. Another molecules, L form molecules, that is dextro rotation, rotation towards right is cancelled by dextro rotation towards left. 50% molecules of dextro form, their rotation is cancelled by 50% another molecules which rotates towards left. Therefore, this type of optically cancellation of optical activity is known as external compensation. External compensation. Why external compensation? Because that molecules are different. 50% molecules of L form, their rotation that are optically active actually, but that activity is cancelled by another molecules that are external molecules which are opposite rotation, and therefore that cancellation is known as external compensation. Therefore racemic mixture is optically inactive because of external compensation, remember that. Then resolution of racemic mixture, that is separation of D and L form. We know that all properties of D and L form are same, that is melting point, boiling point, then solubility, that physical properties, all that are chemical reactivity, all that are same, therefore that are very difficult to separate by that chemical and physical separation methods, and therefore that can be D and L form can be separated by special methods like mechanical separation, preferential crystallization, and biochemical and chemical methods, biochemical and chemical separation methods, that are specially methods required for separation of racemic mixture, that is resolution of racemic mixtures for separation of D and L forms. Then the stereochemistry of carbon compounds with two dissimilar asymmetric carbons. Up to this point we discussed the stereochemistry of compounds containing one asymmetric carbon. Now we discuss stereochemistry of carbon compounds containing two asymmetric carbon atoms. Containing two asymmetric carbon atoms. That includes two types. That two asymmetric carbons are dissimilar. And another type is two asymmetric carbons atoms are similar type. Dissimilar type and similar type. Here first we discuss stereochemistry of carbon compounds with two dissimilar asymmetric carbon atoms. Okay, we discuss this afterward. Thank you.